Hey guys, well it's finally here, the Nyle L200M. Just arrived on a big semi truck today, hauled it back here to my place, and I just wanted to do an unboxing video. Wanted to see the plastic still intact. The thing just has a little bit of damage down here, so we'll see what's in that. It's probably just one of the fans, but we'll just hope that's one of the fans and not anything really super important. But with this system, the system comes with two fans. Because of the size of mine, I needed 5 fans. So there's an extra 3 fans in this whole system here. So let's get busy. Let's see what's in this bad boy. First box. Okay, this is the vent. The L200M comes with powered vents. So that's just part of it. There's the powered vents, nice user manual, and the stuff for the wet bulb, the wick and all that good stuff. So let's put these guys back, and the container for the wet bulb. I'm pretty sure that's probably what that is. And the next, yep, we have fans in this. There's the size of the fan blade. I actually kind of thought that would have been a little bit bigger, but we'll see what the rest of it looks like. There's the fan shroud. So you guys want to go in there. Motor's right inside that. On-off switch. Cool. So it looks like all these boxes here are going to be all the fans, and I'm not going to take every one of them out. But you see, you saw one, see one, you see them all. And, yep, another fan. See if this guy has any damage to it. I will take this one out. No damage to the fan blade. And absolutely no damage at all. And all the other parts are still there. These are going to be blade or fans, so I don't want to waste anybody else's time unboxing more fans. Let's get to the good stuff. That bottom is open. I can just lift that box right off. There we go. Looky there, Nyle. Now the way my system is, I will show you a bit later in the video, this cord right here, these cords are going to be for the moisture meter. There's 4 of them. So this guy right here, it comes with a 6-foot cable. And each one of these wires is supposed to be tagged with a number, and I think there's numbers somewhere. Might be stuff, okay, it's printed on the side. That's what it is. Now this thing comes with a 6-foot cable. My system is going to be, if you remember my other video, and like I said, I'll show you later on, it's going to be approximately, the control panel here is going to be approximately 15 feet away from this. So I had to order a separate cable. And if you decide to do what I'm doing, just keep this in mind. This cable right here costs $10 a foot. So I had to spend an extra $150 just to buy a longer cable, even though I have this one here. And other than that, I mean, this thing got here in good shape. I'm really excited to get this thing up and running. The kiln build itself has been kind of slow. I'll go ahead and take the camera here, and I'll show you my kiln right now and where I am with getting this thing insulated. It's been kind of slow going, reason being I'm trying to be as anal as I can about air sealing, and gotta plug the light in. Okay, pause. Okay, back to the inside here now. I just got this shop light temporarily up there, but I got this wall here all insulated. I have you can see how I've done it in the layers. All I have to do is just the very top up there as far as the rock wool goes. Then I'm putting the 2-inch thick foam over that. Then, like, all along the bottom, every seam between the foam is sealed and foamed. Then on top of that, I'm putting this 1/2-inch thick, 7/16, whatever that is, plywood from Home Depot, which that's what the stuff is. And I seriously do not recommend it. This stuff is, you can actually see some of the delaminating on it, and I know half the people, yeah, like right there, you can see how that's buckling out right there. That's not buckling out because the plywood's bowed. It's buckling out because it's delaminated right there. Same way with spots like this. This stuff is just really bad for that. As far as the project here goes, it'll be just fine. If I was doing this for something else, there ain't no way I'd buy it. You can see the different layers there. Then on top of the plywood is going to be that aluminum roofing paint stuff. A couple coats of that over top of that. Oh yeah, and the nails. Yeah, those guys right there is this stuff right here. Stainless steel, 3.5 inch 16D nails. And yeah, like I was saying earlier, with the kiln itself, the kiln, the dehumidifier will be approximately in that spot right there where that seam is. My control panel, actually where this insulation ends, there's going to be a wall right there dividing that entire end of it off. Up at the top there is going to be the 5 fans, and right here I'm going to have this 4-foot area for setting up the control center station panel right over there. And yeah, there'll be an entire insulated wall right here all the way over, and have a door on both sides for easy access to both sides without having to open the double doors on the other end. And yeah, you can, temperature in here right now is 32 degrees. It's been kind of slow going with this because the deep freeze that we had in the month of February was such that I wasn't able to get the temperature in here above 40 degrees for all of the stuff to seal. I shouldn't say for all the stuff to seal, for the sealants to cure properly. I'm trying to be as anal as I can with all that stuff. And there you have it. That's as far as I got so far. This will be like part 1 of a few part series of my kiln build. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.